My name is Santosh Sinha. I am physics teacher. Today my topic is class 12 definitions of electric cell, electromotive force, internal resistance etc. So here let us see. Electric cell is a device which converts chemical energy into electrical energy. Electromotive force of a cell, it is defined as the maximum potential difference when no current is being delivered from the cell. And terminal voltage, that is denoted by V letter, it is defined as the potential difference when the current is being delivered to the external load circuit. So internal resistance hindrance offered by the electrolyte of the cell the flow of current. So here this is the circuit. Here E electromotive force, that is given by V potential difference plus IR, that is current into R, that is equal to voltage. So here V is equal to E minus IR on discharging. So when a current I is passed in the cell to the opposite direction, the external battery, then the terminal potential difference here, that is minus, so this becomes plus here on discharging here. So the current, that is equal to E R minus R on discharging. But when discharging, V is equal to IR, so on calculating current is equal to E divided by R plus R. So there are two formulas for the finding the current. Here on discharging, I is equal to E divided by capital R, that is resistance, own resistance, or R, that is a small resistance, internal resistance here. So these are the formula. But on charging, current I is equal to E divided by capital R minus a small r. A small r is the internal resistance here. That is the resistance hindrance offered by the electrolyte of the cell to the flow of current. So this is the topic definition here. So electric cell, then electromotive force of a cell, and then terminal voltage, and then internal resistance. So these are the two formula for the discharging and discharging current. Here that is equal to I is equal to E divided by R plus R, and here I is equal to E divided by R minus R. So thank you in this video. This is very important for the solving numericals also of class 12. Thank you.